Hi, we are finishing 2 implants. I'm just posting the final stage of the second implant. It's getting very nicely. So you see the torque is very good. I'm using this thing, it's called torquemetro, so it's give us the torque that we need for the implant. And so far the torque is very high, it's almost 50, so it's very good. The implant is very stable and very strong. And I think this patient will be very happy with the results. So we're finishing now the second implant. The first one is already inside. And that's it. And it took us like 10 minutes for both of them. And as you can see, the patient is totally sedated. She's sleeping. She doesn't feel nothing at all. And it's very nice for people that they have a little bit fear or they afraid from us. But this is a very good option to do any surgical or non-surgical procedure.